I'm just gonna get this trash off of the
Yeah.
This is bad for the environment.
There were just cans everywhere.
They put 14-inch holes right from the side of this one.
We got 3.
I won.
Good, I sold this power main.
All right, we're not done yet. We're close. I'll explain why. Because it's huge. People forget this all the time. So the last thing to do is final. You must check these off. And you can read them if you want, but nobody does. You can actually tap on the text if you want. We're just trying to find the little button. Okay. I shut down the power. Panel secured. Test ports are closed. Final step. Make sure the system cycles on. Remember, you just said yes, you did this. So when it doesn't work, your boss is like, what? You said it cycled on. You know that takes a long time to cycle on. Okay, continue. I got slides for this. So if once you've saved, you got to be clear. All right. All sections have to have pass, fail. There's only that. You could stream data. We talked about that. What that does. Streaming data. Anybody can do it from anywhere as long as the person streaming it has an account. So if you stream it somebody who doesn't have an account, that's okay as long as they have Measure Quick. Then open up the Measure Quick. Only the person streaming out has to have that. So I got a score, I generate the report, right? And then my final process, or great, you must hit finish. If you're not hit finish and you close the app or go off to the next job, it does not go back to Measure Quick. It does not save. You must hit finish.
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 And then check, you save it, you can go to view save projects.
Yes, you can. And say project, it's always the last one, it's at the top, right? Click on it, and then at the bottom, you can like make active. We just did that with Rod. All of your pressures, temperatures, combustion, all that's going on. The only thing that's saved was your profile. It's the basic stuff.
This was 7 minutes ago. Get it out.
Okay, so I'll show you some other tricks that are in here that are hard to do while we're doing. When you're in a workflow, right? Even though I'm at the end, I don't know how I feel, but whatever. So in the very upper right corner, or in the middle, if you have a split screen, there's a little hamburgers over here. And as you tap those, move throughout the. It doesn't help you to jump ahead because nothing's there. You got to really heavy, but if I want to go back to turn power off, it takes me there. Like it's already completed everything else. I just went back and opened up my project again. Now I just kind of cruise through next. And if I want to jump ahead, I can jump ahead to first stage, final process. So that's your little trick. If you want to save while you're doing a job, the cloud will save your stuff to the cloud. So somebody back in the office can see what you're doing before you're done. exit, you hit exit, and then it will ask you if you always want to save to the cloud. If you want to save to the cloud, it saves to your device no matter what. So if you're not, you have no internet, then you can just save it to your device and be done with it, but otherwise you're going to save it to the cloud.
So when you do it to the cloud, excuse me, it automatically saves to your device.
Yeah, so that's why when I go here, I can always find my job.
Perfect, so that always when you can save to the device, because I don't know how the cloud works.
Oh, right, okay,
So you go to the
yeah.
cloud and then.
Just go ahead and do both, then you can always do both. Alright, so I'm pretty fair about how the day works. I'm gonna run through the whole thing one more time. You're welcome to stay, we can do it together on your device and read this whole thing, but we already know how the glitches are. Like, okay, let's move past that, okay, great, we're done. We're not waiting an hour for lunch or a snack, okay? So, if you do wanna grab something, we do that now, and I'm gonna run through it, with or without you, I'm gonna run through it, just because I wanna get some more screen capture to do some other stuff, or confirm some of the things that I saw. So, if you're like, nope, I got a long drive, I'm gonna go, that's cool. I think it'll take around 30 minutes to do the whole thing. Your call. I'm gonna connect the analyzer to me. So go ahead and go to your yeah, it's deactivate. Yeah, actually, what I'll show you deactivate, you actually just kind of touch and slide across, and it'll give you the option to delete it. Other way, yeah. It's a little tricky.
Just tap down there.
First one, disconnect. That's what you heard. Yes or no?
Yeah, we'll stick around.
Okay.
Question.
Yeah. You guys just stay or go? You guys say it one more time? I won't be offended. I don't think it's personally, but it's way too long.
Yeah, I have a lot of drive, and that's what I'm doing. No, so as I get used to that, taking pictures and stuff on my phone, so I was like, I'll just capture pictures and just drop them.
You could, you could take it here. and then-
Right, so I'm trying to.
You're right, that's a great way to do that, you're dropping what you have, a lot of customers are screen.
In your, like, my phone, I can make, like, any phone, I can make, like, 6 to 8 hours on that.
I probably could, yeah, because I have an iCloud.
Yeah, yeah, you should
Cheap,
change.
as soon as the house is small.
Yeah, at least you get like 5 gigabytes.
Yeah, exactly.
So I'm an out guy.
That's it.
So I'll let you